Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your country in the Wish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the account settings button. And here just click on the country region button. And here you can set your country. So just click on the white circle and your country is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.